How to change your birthday on TikTok. So if you want to change your birthday on TikTok, then first of all you have to open up your TikTok application. And let me tell you one thing, that you can't change your date of birth on TikTok directly. You don't have that option. So there is another way through which you can change your date of birth or your birthday on TikTok. You have to simply follow these steps. So first you have to go to your profile, which is on the bottom right corner. And then you can go to the upper right corner, which has the 3-bar icon, and then go to settings and privacy and scroll down and go to report a problem. Here you can go to account and profile, or you can also go all the way down and you can simply tap on submit a report, or you can also tap on account and profile. And here you have to go to editing profile and then scroll down and tap on other, and here you can tap on no, which is on the bottom right, and then tap on need more help. And now you can simply write a feedback, like you have to say that I want to change my date of birth, or I have been 18 years old, or 19 or 17, any age. And after that you can also upload your photos of your national ID. And after that you can simply tap on submit, which is on the middle of your screen. And after submitting, TikTok will take action on that, and it may help you to change your date of birth. So that's it. That's how you change your date of birth. That's the only way. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.